To enroll in Zelle with Wells Fargo, start by gathering the necessary information, including your Wells Fargo debit card or account number, your social security number, and a valid email address or mobile phone number. First, go to the Wells Fargo website or mobile app and sign into your online banking account. If you do not have an online banking account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Once you are signed in, navigate to the Zelle enrollment page, which is usually found under the Transfer or Payments tab. Click on the Enroll in Zelle link and review the terms and conditions. Next, enter the required information, including your name, email address, and mobile phone number. You will also need to link your Wells Fargo debit card or account to Zelle. After entering the required information, review and confirm that everything is correct. You will then receive a verification code sent to your email address or mobile phone number. Enter the verification code to complete the enrollment process. You will then be able to use Zelle to send and receive money with friends, family, and others who have enrolled in the service. It is essential to keep in mind that to use Zelle, the recipient must also have enrolled in the service and have a bank account in the United States. Best practices for using Zelle include only sending money to people you trust, keeping your account information and verification codes secure, and monitoring your account activity regularly. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely enroll in Zelle with Wells Fargo and start sending and receiving money with ease.